Hi guys, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today I will show you how add remove magnification on your NUBIA Red Magic 8 Ace Pro. In the first step, you must open Settings application where we look for Features option. Now we tap on X-ability and there we have our magnification, which is off right now. To turn on it, we must switch on, confirm all by got it, and we have our magnification icon, which position we can easily change by tap and swipe on the screen. To zoom our screen, we tap on that and tap on our screen. To change position of that, we must use two finger. And to turn off it, we must press on our magnification icon again. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!